Question 6, f of x is equal to minus 3x cubed add 8x squared minus 9x add 10. Part AI, calculate f of 2. Part I. So f of 2, it's just subbing 2 into our equation. So we've got minus 3 lots of 2 cubed add 8 lots of 2 squared minus 9 lots of 2 add 10. And that will give us an answer of 0 for 1 mark. Part 2. Write down f of x as a product of two algebraic factors. So I've already shown that f of 2 equals 0, and so this tells me that x minus 2 must be a factor. So I can use algebraic long division here. So x minus 2 into minus 3x squared add x cubed add 8x squared minus 9x add 10. So minus 3x cubed divided by x is going to be minus 3x squared. Minus 3x squared times x, minus 3x squared, x cubed, sorry. Minus 3x squared times minus 2 plus 6x squared. We do our subtraction, we get 0, and then we get 2x squared, bring down the minus 9x. Positive 2x squared divided by x is plus 2x. Timesing that through, we get 2x squared. 2x times minus 2 is minus 4x. So that gives us minus 5x. Bring down the next part, plus 10. Minus 5x divided by x is minus 5. Minus 5 times x is minus 5x. Minus 5 times minus 2 is plus 10. We get 0 there. So writing it as a product of two algebraic factors, x minus 2 and minus 3x squared add 2x minus 5. Part B, using your answer to A part 2, prove there are exactly two real solutions to the equation minus 3y to the 6, add 8y to the 4, minus 9y squared, add 10 equals 0. Now if we look at what we've got here and what we've got here, we can see that these are all the same, but our x has been replaced with a y squared. Okay, the easiest way to see is to go from here to here. So x has been replaced by y squared. So for part B, I can say that x is equal to y squared, and then use my answer from the previous part to say y squared minus 2 minus 3y squared, sorry, not y squared, y to the 4, add 2y squared minus 5. So looking at this part, here, the second part, if we use our discriminant b squared minus 4ac, we can see that we're going to have 2 squared minus 4, lots of minus 3, lots of minus 5. And so this is going to give us a value of 4. Take away 60, and so that's going to be minus 56. b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, therefore there are no solutions. Using this, we can say that y squared is equal to 2 and y is equal to plus or minus root 2. So therefore, we have only two solutions. Part C, deduce the number of real solutions for 7 pi is less than or equal to theta is less than 10 pi to the equation 3 tan cubed minus 8 tan squared theta minus tan theta minus 10 equals 0. So looking at this, what we can do is if we draw a cast diagram, we've got 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi, 7 pi, 8 pi, 9 pi, 10 pi. Okay, and we're looking between 7 pi and 10 pi. So we're looking between 7 pi here, and then we're looking between 7 pi and 10 pi. Now, if we look at our equation that we've got here, we can see that that's exactly the same as our equation with x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that x is equal to tan theta, and say that that can therefore be written as tan theta minus 2 minus 3 tan squared theta plus 2 tan theta minus 5, and we know that there are no solutions here. And so we've got solution at tan theta equals 2, so a positive solution here. So we're going to be looking here, in tan and in all. So if we start at 7 pi, we're going to have one solution. Then we're going to carry on 8 pi, add that value. We're going to have two solutions. 9 pi, add that on. We're going to have three solutions. And then we're going to stop at 10 pi over here. So there will be three solutions in that boundary.